A figure 8 safety catch is added to the box clasp of a link or bangle bracelet as a backup in case the clasp fails. For today's video, you will need the following materials: a bracelet with a box clasp, a figure 8 safety catch with a button, easy or repair solder, a small ball burr, flux, saving solution, flush cutters, your soldering setup, a polishing wheel, tweezers, a soldering pick, dividers. I will open my dividers by placing one end at the tubing and the other end at the tapered point of the figure 8. I will take my dividers and center the opening of the clasp to the center of the dividers. I will use a ball burr around 0.8 millimeters to burr a divot for the tubing. I will flow a very tiny piece of solder onto the tubing. This little space is where the button will engage. I will now ball burr a divot for the button. I will use the same small, gentle flame. I will heat the bracelet and not the button until the solder flows again. With the right steps in place, it's an easy installation.